Alright guys, so apparently when I did my Backoffice video the last time, I lost some of the audio. Hopefully we don't have that problem today. I'm going to take you through the steps as you go through and how you get started with Nexus Rewards. So basically you're going to go right down the list right here, okay? And I'll walk you through some of these here in a minute. So primarily what you want to start with is join the Telegram group down here. Okay, there's other places where you can click that, but really, just right off the bat, get into the Telegram group first thing. Then you want to check out the June promotions. Okay, so I'm going to just open this in a new tab, and you can kind of see what's going on. So right now, you sponsor 3 premium members in your first 7 days. You get 100% check match on the 3x10 loyalty bonus matrix. Okay. And then if you sponsor 5 premium members in your first month, you're going to get a 50% check match. So it's either 100% or 50%. But now you can earn an extra $25 by sponsoring 5 premium members in your first week. You get extra $50, right, in your first 7 days, and an extra $100 in your first 7 days, but 20 members. So it's 25, 50, and 100. And I think in some of the groups we have that a little bit backwards, but this is the actual promotional page. Okay. So here's where you join the Telegram group. Let me back out of those. So right here, this tells you when you enrolled, how many members you have, your rewards balance, the total members, and your lifetime balance. All right. So then before I go into the apps themselves, you can pull up your member subscription right here. You can find out when your subscription date is. You can cancel your subscription. So they offer a 7-day trial where you can cancel your membership. Otherwise, if you cancel it, you just won't renew in the next billing cycle. It bills every 30 days. All right. Genealogy. So this is a pretty important area, right? So in the very beginning, you'll have premium referrals and free referrals. I'm not going to open these tabs because that has people's personal information, but I'm just going to go over here to the genealogy view. You can also pull up your site stats and also your refer to make sure you're joining under the right person. So when you pull this up, this letter or this tab up, right, you've got all these items. So you'll see people that are in green color right here. You'll see people that are purple, and you'll see people that are black, if you will, and they're highlighted a little bit. So these members are paid members. The one in blue here is someone that I received the coded bonus for, and then the ones that are purple are free members at this point, and then all the ones in green are all in the last 5 days. So there's a lot of activity happening over here here on my page. So again, that's the genealogy view. So let's just go down. So getting started, again, just go right down the list here. This video here, short video, talks about the free benefits. If you scroll down, this talks about the paid benefits. So you get people to watch both of those videos. They can make up their own mind. Again, you can join Telegram right here. If you're a premium member, you want to click here to open up some optional things to launch your business, and that has to do with the autoresponder. But to get your apps, you're going to click here. Now, what you need to make sure that you do as you load this up, okay, so there's U.S. members and then Canada and international members. So we're here in the U.S., or most of us are in the U.S. where we're clicking here. So then you want to do this from a mobile device. You need to do this from a mobile device, and the reason is you have to get your referral link from the mobile device. Okay. Now certain apps like Rakuten, you can go and get your link on a desktop, but these other ones, Upside, Fetch, and NXR, the prescription app, all those you've got to have your mobile apps. So say for example, I go right into here and go to Get Upside, and so there's a nice little video on how it works, and then right here, this is the important part for you. So in Upside, there'll be a place where you'll see it'll say invite friends, and it'll give you what this code is, and this is what you need to make sure you put into your back office. And again, you need to do this on a mobile device. Alright guys, sorry about that. So again, you'll go through and you'll get your apps. So you can just jump back over here to this tab, and it'll get you back to these other apps. And again, what you need to do is make sure you do this on a mobile device, on your iPhone, your Android, on a tablet. So you go down through and you get all these. So these are the free ones that are up above here. The Benefits Hub, this is actually on desktop. So this is a desktop application. This is an actual website. I'll open that in a new tab. And then the Shopping Boss Cashback app, this one here, you again need to get it on a mobile device. So let me just click over here to this one. And again, it's going to tell you how to do it. And then yeah, if you have not been registered for this, you need to wait for 1 business day after you join Nexus Rewards to register. Okay, they need to validate your enrollment with Shopping Boss. So then it goes right here, and then it'll tell you what to do right here. Okay, all right. So then you click here to log in, so you actually can log in from your desktop. But I was going to pull this up here. So this is the Benefits Hub. So you create your account, sign in, and then this has got all the things that are in the Benefits Hub. So going back to the main back office, they have a nutritional line of products that is just basically an additional profit center for you. They basically health and wellness products, and you can earn commissions or double commissions. You can open this website and you can see this other business model that you can use to earn. Okay, and it has a lot of the same things that a lot of different MLMs use for nutritional products. You can see, and now these prices are not what normal reps pay for these products. We're about 50% off because we're working with Nexus Rewards. And again, it's just free money. If you get some of these products, you like them, you can promote these, and you can do pretty well with that. Okay. Going back over here, you get to your tools. Again, you get a chance to join the same Telegram group. This is the autoresponder, the builder marketing system. Here's where a sizzle call is, and now we've got these new Zoom opportunity calls. They're on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Here's where the meeting ID is. This is where everything is right here. And then there's fast start and advanced training on Saturdays at 10 o'clock in the morning. And then it gives you some other instructions. Now there's this other income stream that they have here at the bottom that you can take advantage of if you'd like. And again, I believe this is health and wellness product here. So yeah, immune defense. So I believe this is like a this is also covered in that Pure Life product line. All right, it's over here, I believe. The immune defense. So now FAQs, feel free to go into there if you have any questions. There's a frequent ask, and now the support tab. I'm logged out of there somehow. So, but the support tab, you can send your email, and here you can email your sponsor if you'd like to, and maybe they have questions, or they can answer your questions. But if you have a support issue with something going on, they've been very responsive. I think I had something when I first got started, and they responded like right away, like within the day they had a response back to me. So guys, this is the back office. Again, take advantage of all that Nexus Rewards has to offer. I think it's going to be a really great program. And again, this website works good on a desktop or also on a mobile device. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.